wet the fire, might as well clean the stove. You guys ever wondered, if you've got a gas stove at home, what's the deal with these things, man? They start off really shiny and they end up looking like that. So what I'm going to do is something completely different today. I'm going to show you guys how you give these a clean again and looking yeah, how they should again. Alright. What you're going to need is some mothers or something equivalent, aluminium polish. You can use some car polish too if you want. However, I find just a bit of this mag polish with a trusty buffing wheel. It's going to do the job nicely. If you want to put a little bit of sandpaper on it, you can. Just bear in mind you're going to have to polish it a bit more if you do use sandpaper on it. So what I'm going to do is this one I've nearly finished. This is how it was when it started. Man, that's how it is now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll shortcut this one for you guys. Don't spin it too fast or you'll cook the polish. It'll be really hard to get it off. You know what I mean by cooking it till it's so black, so it doesn't need very much. This is a 3000 RPM grinder buffer. So all you do after that, simply give it a rub to get the excess off with your microfiber or an old rag. I think you'll agree, next to each other, it's a lot different. There is still a little bit of discoloration in here, and that's really just because of the polish. Sorry, the sanding. The sanding brings it up, so just give that a bit of a rub if you want to put your repo car polish on there. You can get rid of that pretty quickly, pretty easily. Hopefully I'll fast forward all of this so you guys aren't tuning out. That's pretty good. Like I said, the longer you spend on it, the shinier it's going to get. So I'll do one of these from scratch now. As you can see, it's pretty. She's pretty marked up and discoloured. So I'll show you the process. Just get a little bit of sandpaper on it. This is a 1000 grade. Cue the editing. So look, there you have it. The more effort you put in, obviously the shiner it gets, but I think you'll agree A looks much better than B. Only takes a couple of minutes, move on to the next project. Otherwise I'll get back to it. And see you next video. If you like it, smash the like, share it if you want, and drop us a comment. Good on you guys. I'll catch up with you soon. Okay, see you in the sky. Bye for now.